Alright guys, so I just got my hair cut. I'm kind of rushing today because I got my flight out today, so rushing right now because I got to get my workout. I just posted the video that I was supposed to post today. Hope you guys like that video. The place that I'm going to right now today is Detroit, Michigan. That's where I'm from. I bet you guys didn't know that. So yeah, I'm from Detroit. Looking forward to seeing my family. I'm going for my sister's graduation, and then once I'm done with the graduation, we're leaving somewhere else, and that's for another video. So like I said, I got a lot of good clips for you guys. I feel real good today. Yeah, so right now I'm about to go hit chest, shoulders, triceps, and biceps. Like I said, I gotta get it in no matter what. There's no excuses. I got up extra early this morning so I could edit the video and post it, so I don't have to worry about it. And then I'm gonna get it in tomorrow morning at a gym in Michigan. So I have that video ready for you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm chilling right now. It's hot as fuck outside, but I got this air blasting, so yeah. Just got done with my workout. It went alright, I'd say. Just decent. I'm not used to working out at this hour. It's like I started working out at like 12 o'clock, so, and I normally start at 8 o'clock, so 8 o'clock at night. So, you know, it was probably just a mixture of me being exhausted because I had to wake up at 8 a.m. this morning because I had to edit the video. But I'm not making excuses. I still got the work done, you know. I just felt like I had to stop because, you know, my elbow started bothering me. Once I start getting a little bit of pain, I just say, fuck it, and just, you know, rest for the rest of the time, especially since I'm traveling and shit. I don't want to be too tired for when I work out tomorrow. It's been a rough week, a lot of good workouts and shit, so my body's breaking down right now, but I'm gonna keep going, you know. You just gotta keep going no matter what. Oh boy, it's hot in this boy. Like I said, I live in Arizona, so man, when you get in your car at the workout or something, you feel dead, man. But yeah, and like I said, I stopped the workout once I started getting a lot of pain in my elbow. Like I got through like 95% of the workout, and I just kind of felt like I was overdoing it. So, you know, especially since my elbows was bothering me from doing the pull-ups yesterday. You know, like I said, just listen to your body, man. You just gotta listen to what your body tells you. Like I could feel like I was tired from all day, but I still got the work in, because, you know, when you make a commitment 100%, you stick to that commitment. It doesn't matter what anybody says to you. It doesn't matter what type of peer pressure. People will try to make you do things you don't want to do. If you got a fucking plan, you stick to what you got to do for you. It don't matter what everybody else is doing. Don't try to please everybody else, man. People will get, you know, all salty over the smallest things just because you don't want to do something. It makes, you know, it makes them feel like, oh, you think you're better than them. No, it's not that. It's just you stick to your values. You stick to who you are and what you are. So when you make a commitment, stick to that shit no matter what. This is your life, and if you don't have people around you that try to force you to do things you don't want to do, then you don't need to be around them, man, because, you know, you are who you hang around. So even if you gotta have 0 friends, it just comes to that sometimes. Like I said, man, you just gotta do what you gotta do for you. Stay 100% committed, because that one day that you're not committed, it's like you'll feel like, oh, I can do it. I can take another day off, or I could, you know, I cannot go to work, and see, I can go to work late more than once if I don't get caught for it. So it's like, just don't try to cheat, man. Just make sure you're staying, you know, doing what you got to do. So something else I want you guys to know is that every time you step foot in the gym, you're not gonna feel 100%. You're not gonna feel like, you know, you want to do it every time, but, you know, you just gotta stick with it. You just gotta keep going, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just every day is not gonna be sunny skies. So you gotta learn to work, you know, between the gray areas. You know what I mean? And make sure you're putting in the work that you have to do, and just adjust. You know, sometimes if you're not feeling it, you risk injury sometimes. So make sure you just kind of chill and do it light. You know what I'm saying? Just do a light little workout. And everything doesn't have to be 100% balls to the wall. You know what I'm saying? Just chill. It'll be good. You'll feel better another day. It's that simple. So I'm at the airport right now. I'm about to head to Detroit. I'm real excited. Moving up, baby. Chilling. I'm trying to figure out where I want to eat at. Joe's Barbecue, Lolo's, no. Nice burger. It's looking like we're gonna get some smash burger. So I'm probably gonna get the smashed chicken, the classic chicken sandwich. Oh yeah.
And the name for your order?
Jordan.
Jordan, what do you like to order?
Can I get a just the classic chicken sandwich?
Okay.
Just lettuce, tomatoes, and American cheese on it, please.
$7.81.
Oh wait, do I gotta say?
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
I have an order for Marty.
Yeah, I want the smash burger, and this is how we looking right now. Got the chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, and and cheese. Oh, shit, that's a small ass piece of chicken. I can't get jiggy with this shit. Fuck. Yo, what up? Alright, so I'm kind of mad because my damn flight got changed an hour already to 7:30. Now it just changed again till 8:30. And it's only like 5:15 right now, so sorry, I'll just catch up on some reading or something, check out a couple stores, but come on, Southwest, what are you doing? Come on. So right now, it's like we're about to start boarding the plane, so see you guys back in a second when I'm walking down the hallway. Yes, sir.
We're all here.
Yeah.
Over
Yeah, I know, right? Walking down that hallway, ready to go home for a little bit. I'm excited. See my sister graduate high school. It's a big feat. She don't know I'm coming, so I'm gonna surprise her tonight. It's gonna be good.
Close before you grab your seat. Flight attendants are
We
coming by
are
to make sure
ready
you
to
really
take
do fasten your seatbelt, seat back and tray tables. The full upright lock position. All carrying on. If you push your cold lights instead of your lights, we need you to go ahead and push it again, and then push the other button with the picture of a light bulb. If you push the button with a flight attendant, it will eject your luggage.
Made it safely to Detroit. That damn flight was scary as fuck, I'm not even gonna lie. The whole way there was turbulence. I was like, man, I don't know. One time it woke me up out my sleep, I thought it was a wrap. But we Gucci, baby, we made it.